In today's video, I'm going to reveal to you a new method that you are going to do it just by having your computer in front of you. And guys, this will be related to uploading images and getting paid. And I'm going to show you how you can do that because it might sound a little bit too crazy for you, but everything is real and I'm going to test it out and prove it with the site that I have discovered. Now, everything is for free and also worldwide available, so you don't have to worry where you're living right now. You just need to follow up all of the instructions that I'm going to give it to you. So, in the end, you will be capable of generating as much money as you want for yourself. Now, this won't make you the richest person out there, but for sure, it's going to be one of the best incomes that you have ever seen. So, start searching up to all of the sites that I'm going to get to and of course start earning. Now guys, before I reveal to you even more, first I would like to ask you for a little support by subscribing to my YouTube channel and also checking out other videos that we have, because in this way you're going to learn different methods of earning money online. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any of the new updates from me. So guys, let me reveal to you the site that it's going to pay you, which is called clickasnap.com. Just write it down like this on Google and it's going to be shown up to you. You're going to get paid when your photos are viewed. Sounds too good to be true? Well, everything is real. ClickASnap is the only photo sharing platform in the world where you can get paid when your photos are viewed. And guys, I'm going to reveal to you an amazing site that is going to give you a lot of traffic. So how much you're going to get paid? You're going to get 0.70 cents paid per photo view. And the minimum payout that you need to have in order to withdraw your money is $50. Now don't worry, because we're going to reach out even more than $50 in just one day with all of the tricks that I'm going to reveal to you. How it works? Well, first of all, you need to upload your photos. Once you have signed up, simply use your easy system to add photos. Once you have uploaded your photos, they will get a lot of views by the ClickASnap users itself. Despite the traffic source that I'm going to reveal to you, you also are going to get the views from the people who are using this platform. You're going to get paid for photos, and guys, if you reach out $50, you're going to withdraw your money really quickly. Now, if you by chance are a professional photographer or you're really good at taking pictures, then I will totally recommend to you to guys use your own pictures, because it will make you earn double more. But I'm going to reveal to you where you can find great photos even if you don't have them. So first of all, let's sign up and create an account. You can do that by just putting email, password, confirm the password, or you can sign up with Google, Facebook, Twitter, whatever you might have. So this is how everything will look. So first of all, you have to choose a plan. So guys, you can go with a $0 plan because it will give you the chance of the unlimited uploads, but you will not get paid for views. But if you choose the second plan, which is only $2 per month, which is not a lot compared to how much you are going to get paid, you will have the chance of getting paid per views and also add free experience. So I will totally recommend to you to subscribe this one. Once you have subscribed for a particular package, now you can complete your profile. Put your name and profile URL, channel description and impression. Select a new image, and after you have finished up, go over to the link that they have sent to you on your email to verify your account. Once you finish up with all of this a little bit long process, let's say, you are ready to start earning money. So guys, what you will have to do, just go over to the marketplace, and here you're going to see a lot of pictures of people which basically look like passport photos. So guys, you are going to see that you can earn money just by uploading images of people who really do not exist. How so? I'm going to show you how you can do that. So guys, in order to upload a mini image, just go over to the upload option over here, drop files or select the photos from your computer. Now be careful to upload photos of your own, because otherwise you are going to get banned. No nudity, no violence, no drugs. So now let me show you how you can create those passport pictures and earn money with them. Just go over to Google and search up for free iPhoto generator, and you're going to see a different generators for photos that you can choose. I will totally recommend to you this one called generated.photos.com. Here you are going to see that you can create different images of people who actually don't really exist. Isn't that amazing? Just click generate a photo and you're going to be directed to this page. Click on these three underlines over here and click face generator. After you have done that, you can watch this video to see how it works, or you can just follow up all of the things that I'm going to say right now. So once you click face generator, you can choose a random face over here. So if you click on random face, it's going to generate different faces of people who actually don't exist. Now let me surprise to you with the features that they offer. So first of all, you can choose if you wanted to have it as a male or a female. Now we want it as a female, so we're going to leave it like this. So now guys, you can choose the head pose. So you can leave it like this, or you can leave it in the center. I'm leaving it on the center. Now I want to make this person look younger. So I'm living on the age of this. After doing that, it's going to be updated and look much younger, as you can see by yourself too. If you wanted to make it much younger, then it's in your hand, how you wanted to make it look. So once you've finished up with this, just go over to the emotions and you can choose whatever emotion you want to. I'm going with a surprise one, but you can make it neutral, happy, angry, contemptuous, disgust, frightened, sad. You can change the skin tone and the hair color as you wish. So you can have this opportunity of updating this person and make it look like a totally real person, which in fact doesn't really exist, but you can make it as a real person. I'm also going to put reading glasses just like this. So as you can see, it looks like a real person. You just have to click on the download option and you will have it this image like you have done this. So guys, now that you have the image, you are just going to think about the money that you are going to earn with them. Let's go to the other part of this. So after you have generated, just go over to this page, which will give you the traffic source. Now guys, that you have the image, just upload it to Click a Snap. Get the link and now go over to imgur.com and here click on new post. Sign up, create your account, and now choose your photo and upload it, which basically it's going to be the URL of the link that you are going to get from Click a Snap. Now guys, here you are going to write down something like this. Hey, can you discover the age of this person, or can you discover the ethnicity of this person, or something that will trigger the people that are going to watch, so they will be curious about it and click it, and once they have clicked and watched the photo, you are going to get paid per each view. Thank you so much guys for watching and listening till the end. I really hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you want to, then you can give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out other videos as well.